In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Telegram private group or channel video in less than 1 or 2 minutes. So first of all, I open Telegram on web. So now I'm going on this store, then manage extension, then again Chrome web store. Then here I type telestream saver. Then you can see it's already found. Now add to Chrome. Again click add extension. Wow, you can see it's already added to this extension section. Now again I need to going on Telegram, then refresh my page. Then you can see this is my targeted video. Then open, you can see this is the download button. Just click download. Wow, it's already download completed. So this is the method how you can download Telegram private group or channel video in less than 1 or 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you again.